What's up, guys? Jace here. And a lot of our restaurant clients and customers are always asking us, how can I get more people in for their birthdays? And birthdays are a big deal, right? They're a big revenue generator for restaurants. And so today's video, me and my green party hat are going to show you exactly how we do that here at Misfit. So I had to lose the green party hat, but what I want to do in this video is just go over a few different tips that helps our clients generate a ton more sales during times where people are having their birthday. So the first tip is you can actually set up a campaign inside of Facebook and Instagram where you can run ads towards people whose birthdays are coming up in a week. So imagine that every single week, a new batch of customers is seeing an offer or promotion, inviting them to come into their birthday. So you set up that campaign one time, and that is gonna bring you a whole new stream of revenue based off of an entirely new batch of customers who might not even be in the restaurant. Even if it's customers who have been to you before, it's an opportunity to give them a special offer, inviting them in and bringing in their family and friends. The second point is increasing the average check value. So if you're a restaurant owner running any sort of birthday campaign, you know that birthdays are a great way to bring in large parties. So people don't want to celebrate their birthday by themselves. So the ability to successfully run a birthday campaign is going to give you the ability to increase the average amount that table is going to spend at your restaurant. Now, the third point is not directly related to necessarily a sale, but your overall brand equity and brand trust within your local community. So if you can be that restaurant that is gonna put a special offer in front of someone on a day that's important to them, and you're gonna be able to do that time and time again every single week, you're gonna be able to make an impact off of something that customer is gonna deem as special that nobody in your local area is taking that time to do. So birthdays are an awesome way to bring in customers. And if you like some of these strategies that we're talking about in these campaigns, birthdays are just one component of the many different offers and strategies that we offer our clients and customers at Misfit Media. So again, if you have any questions, shoot them in the comments below and I'll try to jump in as soon as possible to answer them. I'll also leave a link in the comments where you can book a one-on-one free strategy session with our team completely free of charge. It helps go over any type of questions that you have around potentially running a birthday campaign or just marketing for your restaurant in general. Thanks everybody. And again, let us know in the comments below any questions that you have around successfully marketing a birthday for your restaurant.